friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about some cybersecurity ideas for this month. In my previous video, I said I will be uploading series for the October Awareness Month. So in this video, I will be talking about ideas that organizations can use to make the Cybersecurity Awareness Month fun for their employees. The tips that I have is, if you're an organization, your cybersecurity team in this month has a very huge task at hand. You know why? Because you want employees to be eager to participate in the awareness training. So the first tips that I will be giving you is, throughout the month of October, share daily cybersecurity tips. You can start by sending emails or mass emails to employees in your organizations on what the cyber tips for the day is. And another thing you can do is you can recruit cybersecurity ambassadors from each department. What I mean by ambassadors is, let's say for accounting department, right? You have someone that is so knowledgeable about cybersecurity, and let's say when you have meetings that relate to how you can distribute materials or tips or posters that can help employees in your organization to know more about cybersecurity awareness, you can invite those kind of ambassadors to the meeting. Believe me, they will be the one to even help you advocate that to your team members. Another thing you can do is you can make a video answering the most common cybersecurity questions in your organizations. So let's say your cyber team can decide to come up with a list of common questions that employees need answers to. And once you come up with that questions, each individuals, if they want, can create videos and answer some of those questions. And you can make that video available on your organization website or your department website. You can encourage people, especially with social media and this hard generation. You can encourage people to take security selfies. And what I mean by security selfies is, let's say we customize a shirt that says use multi-factor authentication, right? People can take selfies with the shirt that's customized with, did you lock your laptop before you leave your desk? Did you, are you using a strong password? They can have those written on the shirts, and then they can take selfie pictures, and then they can post it online. That's a very good awareness as well. And also, like I said earlier, you can post cybersecurity tips on your organization website. You can encourage your team to share cybersecurity tips via social media with the selfie challenge. You can incorporate cybersecurity into your onboarding process. This is very, very important. Most organizations needs to get this right. As a new employee, one of the training that should be included in your onboarding process should be cybersecurity awareness. They need to know how their actions can affect the organizations. They need to know that what they do and how they do it can affect organizations' data as well. So you can also host a cybersecurity launch where people can learn and interact with each other. So what I mean by cybersecurity launches, people like free stuff. Yes. So if there's lunch included in a cybersecurity interactive session, it would make people want to come and learn. It's not bribery, it's just making sure that people can, be eager and want to learn. Another thing you can do is you can create a cybersecurity team video to share on social media and other channels. Another interesting thing is, if your organization has a podcast, they can create cybersecurity team episodes. So the first episodes could be about how to use a strong password, how to come up with a strong password. Let's talk about MFA. Let's talk about phishing emails. Let's talk about phishing theft. Let's talk about social engineering attacks. Let's talk about malware. Let's talk about Trojan. Let's talk about how to stay safe online. Let's talk about how to keep your social media account credentials separate from your bank account credentials. So all these things can get your organization talking and moving, and you'll be surprised. Your employees will be eager to learn and eager to participate in this awareness month. So to crown this whole, this activity ideas is not just for organizations alone. Among your friends, among your family, you can share these tips, because learning some of these tips and ideas on how to protect your information would help everyone in the long run. If, God forbid, one of your family falls into a cyber threat or anything of such, it would affect every one of the members of your family. So these ideas can be shared among your family, among your friends, and you can talk about, because we all use social media a lot. So learning these tips, learning what can help us protect our information from bad actors would help us all. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.